Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to animate a still photo in Canva. Let's use this cat photo as an example. First, drag the image onto your canvas and resize it to fill most of the screen. Click the photo to select it, then go to the Edit menu. Under Magic Studio Features, choose Magic Grabber to automatically separate the subject from the background. Click the subject, then click Grab, and wait for Canva to isolate the subject. Once the cat is separated, you can move it freely. Now, click Animate to explore effects like breathe or scale. For a dynamic effect where the cat appears to move toward the viewer, select Breathe and choose the option to simulate forward motion. Adjust the scale slider if you want the subject to grow larger during the animation. That's it! Your still photo is now animated. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more design tips. Thanks for watching.